Hooah! Guess what? I just received a new battery. Yes, addition to my system. A little upgrade for the power and the juice for my Lexus. Wow! Wow, guess which battery is it? What brand is it? And how much power it's gonna do? Just guess. Well, I'm not gonna give you time to guess actually. Yeah. Ta-da-da. Just received a new battery. Yeah. The new beefy battery. This is Optima Yellow Top 5.5. Brand new. Just received the package now. Can't find any tripod or something, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do unbox like that without anything. Yeah. So excited. Wow, really nice packaging. 4 or 5 layers of protection. Wow, this thing is massive, man. Wow, nice. Awesome. So happy. Wow, it's brand new. Sealed. Sealed. It's all over sealed. Never been used. Brand new. That's the power. Sorry for the blurry video zooming problem. This is high performance AGM battery, high cranking power, 975. Now she's out of the box, looking beautiful. What I'm gonna do a little bit of charging of this new battery, because I know they come charged already, but I just want to have like topped up, fully charged until I get my battery terminals and fix it up. I want to make sure it's fully charged and there's nothing, no space left for charging, like fully topped up. And as soon as I get the battery terminals, I hook it up and bang. So yeah, I got a little charger here. It's really nice charger actually. Waiting for some battery terminals to come in the post. As soon as those battery terminals comes in, I'm gonna be hooking up this battery, and hopefully I'm gonna record the video of the process video. Yeah, and so stay tuned and keep banging. Good bass up. Peace. God bless you, all the bass heads. I ordered this charger from a battery website, a local battery website here in London, and this is really nice charger. It charges really fast and it has lots of power to give, and it's really nice charger. This is the charger I use. It has 100 amps, I think. Yeah, AC 100. I don't know. I don't have much. Yeah, 10 amp power. Not really good as the alternators in the car or car battery chargers, but it's quite decent. 10 amp is quite decent. If you guys know about the chargers, 10 ampere chargers are really nice chargers. They charge really quick, and this charger is really good for AGM batteries, car audio batteries, especially designed for that. This can charge liquid batteries as well, but especially made for AGM batteries. So let's hook it up quickly and put it on charge until we get this is my pin code for my credit card. Yeah, so until we receive the battery terminals, we can't really hook it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on charge so it's fully charged and ready to go. As soon as I receive my battery terminals, I hook it up negative to negative, and positive to positive. Yeah, negative to negative, positive to positive, and let's go and turn this thing on. Here's the button. Yeah, let's see what is showing on the meter. A little unboxing video. Just received my battery ring terminals made by knuconcepts.com. 0 gauge terminals. Looks nice, shiny steel. Looks good quality. That will do. In my car, Lexus hybrid 4x4. Really loving it. And it's raining out there. It's really shitty and wet. It's supposed to be summer here, but still, you know, this is England. What do you expect? English weather. Yeah, I got something in the post. They left the card for me because the parcel was too large. And yeah, I'm gonna go and collect it. It must be something for the build we're working on. And that's the system I currently have, the stock one. That was a stock system, and I've ordered a kit. It's called this kit is particularly only for Lexus, this model. It's called Beatsonic R82 kit, which will give me the panel, front panel, everything, and the adapter to convert and push the factory amplifier of the car for my mids and highs. Yeah, so once we're done with this whole build, the entire interior and the look will be different. There will be double din, Pioneer double din I've ordered, and everything. Can't wait to go and collect the mail. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna be back. Just gonna go collect the mail. Can't wait to see what is in the post. Every day deliveries are keep coming. Yeah, so let's go and collect it.